Wow, that was cool timing. Welcome to a new unboxing. This is Yoga Club, and this one is a new to me subscription box. I haven't watched it. So I haven't looked into this box literally at all. I looked at the basic reviews. So I did double check that like there weren't any big claims about it, that no one was like, oh, this is terrible, this is scammy. And I've seen it recommended on a few sites, so I didn't do like a super deep dive. I didn't watch anyone else's reviews or read any of the blogs about it yet. I wanted to go in with a clear mind and just kind of go for it. So I did, and I went back and forth on a lot because I don't have a huge budget to work with, but now that I'm not doing the Stitch Fix, I've got a little bit more wiggle room. And this box is usually $79 a month for the 3-piece sets, and we've got a couple different. One that I got a huge discount on. It was $49 a month, and I know that there's a $49 a month that's like every single month, which is awesome. And I don't personally have a code, so I will do some research and put the best codes I find down below for y'all. This one, however, comes every 3 months, so I won't be doing this one continuously because I don't have that much wiggle room going on. So for the next year, every 3 months, I'll be getting this one unless I absolutely adore it. But it has some other cool aspects to it. So they do returns if you don't like it. There aren't spoilers. You don't get to pick out your outfit first. So it varies from like Fabletics a little bit like that. They will take returns, but they do a ship back fee. But they have something kind of neat where you can swap out your outfits with within a Facebook group, and that way you can look at people who have similar sizes or don't have similar sizes if you need to swap a size, if you're looking for a different design. And then you will get points. This is a very points. This club has a lot of points to it. For referrals, if you have open referrals. I don't have referrals on mine because I'm at such a discount, I believe. Plus purchases, they have a store shop thing where you can get extra pieces, usually at a discount, which is pretty neat. But I'm just gonna stick with the box. I want to see what they pick out for me because I said I like darks, I like neutrals, I don't do brights, I don't do a whole lot of loud patterns, and they do have a lot of really gorgeous witchy clothing, and I'm hoping that that's what I get. That's what I want. That's what I love when they send a lot of the surveys out and you can pick through what you like. I'm like, I want those. I want moons. I want moons on my legs. I want moons on my chest. I just want moons everywhere. So in this box, there should be 3 pieces. They have smaller sets. They have all different time periods. Oh, look how cute. It's little bitty. I'm liking the colors. Not certain about the patterns already. So let's open it up. Okay, got a little info card. So they do donate a yoga and meditation class for kids for every single box. So let's see, this is the Brandy Denim Vintage Tee in a size large. So it's like slightly, it almost looks heathered, but it's like a slightly different blend to the material. And stretchy one way, but a little less the other. So very nice and flowy. It looks like it'll be very comfy. It has a super cute peekaboo back. We'll see how that falls because sometimes it enlarges. The peekaboo backs are really huge on me just because I got a weird body shape. If you've been here for a while, you already know this. I am a little lumpy. And oh, this is a beautiful color. So then I got the sports bra in medium, and this is the Macy in Bordeaux. It's a very nice like dusty rose, kind of mauve-y, and it has removable cup pads, some nice power mesh going on, so I feel like it's going to be a solid medium support. And a really beautiful back detail. Let's get that up close and personal here. Look at that. So I'm hoping that that'll be really nice. I'm not certain about the sizes yet, so I will try it on. I'm usually a medium across the board, but like my Fabletics bra that I just got, I got one of theirs on clearance, and I got the medium, and it was like loose. Wasn't too big because I was like falling out of it and tucking. It was weird. It was like just too wide. And I'm not certain about these guys. These are the Cora Marine Layers legging in blue and white. I did say I'm not a big fan of a lot of patterniness, but it is in a neutral. It's got like a herringbone, and the way it's printed, it looks like it's fuzzy, but it's super duper slick. And I got these ones in a large as well. They have a rollover top. See, is this a second layer? Oh, so it is a really nice, layered really nicely, but I am not certain because just now I'm not stretching it at all. You can kind of see the pattern through, and stretching it, you can see me through. So that looks really quite thin. We'll see about that. See, we do have seams, so we'll double check on the camel toe probability. There is a small gusset though, which tends to help a bit. And it's just a basic overlayer. There's no elastic added. And see the length on these, because they look quite short. And I am quite short. So I wonder if they're not like a 7/8 or maybe even a capri. So I'm going to pop these onto my body and see about that. I know that you cannot return them if you pop the tags off, but I foresee it being a pretty comfy, cute outfit. I am definitely a little bummed that I didn't get any of the moons, because I was like, that's what I want. I want moons. I want moons. So I'm going to try these on and we'll see how it goes. Let's go with some initial thoughts here. The shirt is pretty comfortably baggy. It's not oversized, but it's not really skin tight. It is fitted on the arms, but there's a ton of not only stretch, but a little bit of room. I do kind of like the material. It feels very nice, but it doesn't really have many flaws either. So it kind of curves over my belly, makes me look quite nice. At least then you know if you were printing it, it would fit still. It's because it does have a good length. You see if I can, it's got a nice length to it, but like I said, it doesn't hide much of anything here. The back detail is beautiful. I do really like this. It fits really nicely. It moves nicely. It hasn't gotten caught on anything. It doesn't breathe a whole heck of a lot, but it doesn't seem to be an issue really either. It is very, very stretchy. The material stretched right out down my legs. It doesn't seem to be having a big issue with transparency at all. Though the material being so thin, you can definitely see like lumps and bumps. A busy pattern does help hide that a little bit. But like if you're lumpy, it's not going to hide that fact. I do love the way it looks on my bum. I don't think I would wear this for a heavy duty cardio day, because while it's staying up decently, there's very minimal baggage as I've been working out and jumping around. It's not incredibly supportive. Oh, hello. I will add a little montage of me in all of it. You can see how the sports bra fits. It is really comfortable. It works pretty well for my size. I do feel myself slipping out. It's very narrow off to the sides here, so I've been like slipping out a little on the sides, but I will give it a proper workout test. I will say that everything is pretty gosh darn synthetic, so it's not breathing. So I'm extra happy for the open back because it's very warm. All right, let's go to montage mode.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't. don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't.
So, final thoughts. Pants, not fully squat proof. You can definitely see dark underwear, and fairly soon you could see like pad type outlines, underwear outlines. So if it bugs you, be aware. If it doesn't bug you, live your life. I'm realizing more and more that I hate this top and these pants together. It's bothering me that the pants are 2 shades of blue and the shirt is a totally different shade of blue. I love these colors together. I even like the pink and the blue with the pants. But top and pants I'm not a fan of outfit wise. My head is hot. My head is hot. I was right in a way that the shirt doesn't breathe necessarily. When you're working out, you warm up fast. You're sweating fast. You can't really see sweat on it, which is amazing because I'm sweating. But it lets in air so fast and it's so cooling. And I like that about it. It feels really cool. As soon as like you fluff it a little, it instantly feels freezing, which is so nice, and slightly clammy, which is less nice, but so nice. The bra is working out better than I thought it would. I am kind of spilling out the sides like I was worried I was. It reminds me of like the wrestling singlets that were not made for females that we still had to wear. So there is some side spillage, but it was staying pretty firm. Like even though there's a little bit of bounce, it was a solid medium support. Speaking of support though, pants. I think they'd be awesome for weightlifting so long as you don't care about lines or you're a, I don't know, nude underwear thong wearer type. Cardio sucked. It was really distracting how many times I realized that the waistline was falling down, and I think size-wise, it's a decent size on me. I would be wary of sizing down. I might try it because they're by no means like stretched on me. But as much as it fits when I feel like I'm sitting, there's very minor baggage under my stomach. Cardio was rough. Running in place was rough. I can't imagine trying to go through an entire boxing match. I like punching warm-ups, so I do put that into my cardio warm-up. And even then, being in the squat position for a long time and any type of running and jumping, it ran under belly, which is not primo. So maybe if you were very thin and it fit very firmly, it would fit better. But because they're not really that firm, they have a lot of stretch. There's no stay up band, there's no elastic, there's no drawstring. It's just a seamless fold over. It is falling. So I think that's it. Shirt wore comfortably. Most exercises it didn't move at all, which I think is awesome. I'm actually really excited. I think we're gonna wear it to work. Like it covers enough for like a cardigan type. We wouldn't necessarily have to wear a cardigan. Well, the back's open, so I kind of do, but I don't know. You know what I mean? Because like lengthwise, the back's open, but I think front wise, it's awesome. It stays mostly in place. Sometimes when I got a little movie, it was like, let's shoulder it up, you know. Early 90s is calling. I know I talk extra when I'm all hype. I'm all hype. So yeah, I think that was it. Hopefully I got some usable bits of my workout because I'm working on a very small area of the living room, because the living room's not huge anyway, but I've also got a million pieces of therapy device for my daughter, so I'm gonna go around all of that. I think I got all the major points I wanted to. I'm happy about the length of this. I'm happy about the feel of it. I'm warming up to this bra because it's just been so comfortable. And the pads in it haven't really bugged me a lot. They're flexible without being foldy. Pants I'm less than in love with. I'm getting kind of less and less enthused about them as time goes on, but I pulled the tags off and now I've worn them into a stinky workout, so I think they're just going to be a nice little backup pair, and I don't know. They're kind of geeking me out, right? Like this herringbone, not herringboneness. I don't know. Okay. I'm done. I'm gonna go play some Minecraft. I like putting it up on the background. It's been mocking me. Workout's done. Okay, I love y'all so much. Bye.